How to remove Yahoo in the search from Google. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three dots in the top right corner of your screen, you will find all these options pop up in here. Scroll down and click on Settings. After you're in the settings, on the left side, click on Search Engine. In Search Engine, you'll find Yahoo. Beside it, on the right side, click on Change. After you've clicked on Change, make sure the blue dot is in Google. After that, press on Set as Default and you're good to go. This is how to remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.